Mr. 58 War Dog here, eating my dinner. Look, it's chicken. Bok, 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 bok. Oh, bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark. Bark, bark. Bark, bark. It's chicken. Chicken. Chicken, chicken. Look. Bark, 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 bark. 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 Bark, bark. Bark. I'm a spoon, I'm an invisible spoon. I'm a spoon, I'm an invisible spoon. Try and find the spoon, you guys. I put it on the table somewhere. Try and find it. Good nice look, so you can look for the spoon. It was in front of the screen the whole time. You guys are stupid! Oh my god. You wanna see the mother chicken? Look, there's the chicken. The beautiful chicken. Beautiful chicken. With a knife stuck in it. Ah! Look at the chicken leg. Look, it's the chicken guts. Poor little chicken. Look at the knife. I'm gonna... Look, it's like that story. What's it called? King Arthur. I'm gonna pull the knife out of the chicken instead of the sword out of the stone. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Mommy, no, no, you attacked my mommy. No.